Ladies and gentlemen, I start this last of our 12 lectures with glimpse at a, in my view, neglected category, which solidarity, which still regards the relationship between normativity and politics, and the second section of the lecture also does. Then I will go over in the third and fourth sections to a more general consideration of the of that relationship, and also of the relationship between politics and policy. What is solidarity? What in my philosophical and normative language, I would define it as a self-imposed obligation to, but also as a feeling of mutual help and sympathy between equals. Solidarity is most evidently different from charity. Solidarity is, let's say, something in a horizontal dimension, a relationship between equals, whilst charity is rather a vertical relationship. Solidarity has also the advantage to have a twofold status: a normative status, which is the status I'm talking about now, but also an analytical status as an important category of theoretical sociology. Remember Emile Durkheim, though my definition, my normative definition of solidarity is not identical with Durkheim's. And what is more, without solidarity, I cannot conceive of any social and political cohesion in society and polity. Why not? Because, I mean, a mere alliance of self-centered individuals without any feeling of an obligation to, self-imposed obligation to solidarity, simply doesn't hold. The society and the polity will break into pieces. This is admittedly a criticism to as they say, atomistic conception of the individual. From a historical point of view, it is known to everybody that solidarity is a constituent of modernity, even if it has been forgotten about in the 20th century. It was one of the three magic words in the French Revolution: liberté, égalité, fraternité. Fraternité, I would think, is the predecessor of solidarity. And it was also a very important, a seminal word and a seminal concept in the working class movement, also in the sense of international solidarity between workers and unions, solidarity beyond borders. Think of the solidarity strikes. I would even suggest, but it is no more than a suggestion, that solidarity can be regarded as a normative answer to the communitarians' criticism, instead of simply walking out of the normative approach as the communitarians do. This was it. The next chapter is about something pretty different.